Hi everyone, it's Moesha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a natural eyebrow tutorial for beginners. As you can see, my brows don't have a shape to them, or do they frame my face. So I'm tweezing away any random hair that I see, and that includes the top section of my brows, as you see right now. Because I find when I do that, that makes it easier for me when I'm filling in my brows. Using the e.l.f. HD powder, I'm setting my face and my brows so I can have a smooth canvas to work with. Moving on, I'm using NYX Cosmetics Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. I'm using a light pressure when filling in my brows so I can have a more natural look. So I go in very lightly and use hair-like strokes to fill them in. And with a spoolie, I blend everything together. And I just keep going back and filling in the areas where I see that are sparse or that look like they could use a more, hair-like effect. Like you see, I'm using the pencil in upward motion, and I'm just almost like sketching. And when I'm done filling in the brows, I go back with my tweezers and remove some hairs that I see that are sticking out from the outline that I created. And right here you can see that piece of hair. When I remove it, it looks way better now. Here are my finished brows. This one was looking better that particular day than the other one, but I used the same method. So yeah, those are my eyebrows.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal?